Okay guys, so today I'm going to share with you the technical side of setting up a digital wallet to be able to buy, purchase, and exchange cryptocurrency. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Hey, it's NIC PIPS of Now I Catch Pips, where I teach you how to give your dollars a job. If you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button before you go, and links to anything that I mentioned will be in the description below. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to share with you part 2 of a call that I did with my personal team on cryptocurrencies, how to get into the game. So as you guys can see in the news, cryptocurrency has been creating a lot of buzz around things like Cardano, XRP, Ripple, VeChain are some of the ones that I can name that you guys have probably heard of in the crypto digital space, and of course Bitcoin, BTC. All right guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the recording. So if you haven't already, y'all, I just want to share my YouTube channel. I do YouTube. I'm called NIC PIPS on YouTube, and if you just search NIC PIP, NIC PIPS, all right, this is my YouTube channel. You can hear a little bit about my story if you don't already know that. And NIC PIP stands for Now I Catch Pips. All right, because now that's what I do. All right, I used to work in the corporate world for 22 plus years. And so for me, it was eye-opening when a buddy of mine introduced this opportunity to me, aka called investing. All right, now I don't just invest in Forex. As you guys can see, we're talking about cryptocurrency today. So I take that money that I make in Forex and I transfer it into other investment assets, because at the end of the day, you guys know the golden rule of investments, right? It's all the way back in the Bible. It's even written in the Bible, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So if all I'm doing is Forex trading, I got all my eggs in one basket, and something happened to Forex trading, then guess what? I'm toast. And look at a lot of people, that's what they're dealing with today during this pandemic, right? If they only have one source of income, they're toast, right? So you got to add multiple streams of income. And yeah, so follow me on that channel for some ideas about that. So first and foremost, when it comes to purchasing crypto, because we're going to get to that part now, because I'll be talking about the history. Now we're going to get to how to actually do it. When it comes to purchasing crypto, first thing that you want to do is you want to find you an exchange. An exchange that most people know that's very popular is going to be Coinbase, right? This is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. They also offer crypto wallets, right? So you have to go in there, register for an account, and attach your bank account or a credit card or whatever form of payment that they accept for you to buy and purchase cryptocurrency. And you would go onto those websites, register, and buy your crypto there. As you can see right here, let me make sure. Hopefully, can you guys see the Coinbase screen? Somebody can type 333 in the chat just to make sure that you guys can see what I'm seeing. There we go. Thanks a lot, Christy. And so, and also guys, once you sign up for Coinbase, you also can earn crypto. So they have it where you can watch these little couple of minute videos about these emerging cryptocurrencies, and they actually pay you out in crypto. Like this particular one, Stellar Lumens, when I did it, it only paid me $20. Now it's up to where you can earn $50 by watching this course. And so if you guys are interested in Coinbase or any of the other exchanges or other products that I'm going to be talking about, if you come over to my website, www.profitwithcurtis.com/resources, and scroll down, or if you just go to my website, you have the buttons up here. But I have links to where you can get discounts or kickbacks if you use my referral code. Now, you don't have to. Like for instance, if you want to just go to crypto.com and just sign up for an account, that's cool, but you won't have the opportunity to earn $50 worth of crypto from using my link. Same thing when it comes to Ledger. If you go to ledger.com and buy a Ledger Nano, which is a wallet I'm going to talk about, without this code, that's cool too. You don't have to. It's all completely optional. But here's a 20% discount code that I have for you right here. And then when it comes to Coinbase, we'll both get $10 if you use my link and you sign up with my link and you make a purchase of either buy or sell $100 worth of crypto. And again, that's completely optional. You can just go straight to the Coinbase website and actually sign up there, but you won't get the $10 bonus. All right. And but when it comes to crypto, again, guys, just go ahead and sign up for a Coinbase account. And you don't have to invest $100 right now, but just go in there and sign up for the account. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. And then go on here and watch these videos, right? And just start the course. Watch the courses, earn the crypto. And if you want to, you can hold on to them and allow them to appreciate in value and then sell them off. Or if you want to sell them off immediately after watching the videos, if I remember correctly, you can do that. Like I don't think there's any period where you have to keep it for a certain amount of time. Literally, as soon as you finish watching the course, they deposit the $50 into your account. You can sell that particular cryptocurrency and cash it out if you like to, or sell it out and buy another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or whatever the case may be. But it's awesome on Coinbase. So first things first, when you want to buy it, you have to buy it on an exchange, right? Another exchange, crypto.com. This is my new favorite one. But if you go to crypto.com and you sign up for an account, again, if you use my code, you have the chance to earn $50 of worth of crypto just from using that code. But they have a nice, cool app that you can download to your phone. If you want to, they have an option where you can have a card, like a Visa debit/credit card, right? It's a debit card, really. It's available in the UK, USA, and Singapore. Just go on here and click on learn more if you're from another country, because I'm not quite sure who was all on the call. But this is pretty cool because you can have your crypto inside your crypto wallet on your phone, and you can spend it at the store, just like you do a regular credit card or debit card. Where's the code for crypto.com? It's also on that same website, Christy, on profitwithcurtis.com/resources. If you go right here, you see where it says crypto.com. It says referral code. If you click on the picture, it's going to open up a website like so, and it's going to ask you for a code and a email address. Man, my internet moving slow. Woo. But anyway, here's the code right below that. It says enter the code. So you just highlight this code, right? Copy. And come on back over here, and my internet is moving really slow. There you go. It says referral code. Just paste that referral code in there and enter your email address that you would like to use for the account and hit submit, and then it'll send you the instructions on your email. So that's how crypto.coms work. But crypto.com is really cool, and it's just like Coinbase, except for it has the card, all right, that you can use to spend. So like, for instance, in my business that I'm in, they have an option to where they can pay me out in Bitcoin. So what I did was I opened up my crypto.com account, went there and ordered my card, and I have my Bitcoin deposit, aka payment from my company that goes directly into my crypto.com account. And so when it hits that account, it's available to be spent on my card, and I can go out and make my purchases just like if it was regular cash, and the cashiers and the companies have no idea that I'm actually using crypto to make those payments. So that's crypto.com. So that's how you would purchase it. There's other exchanges out there, but those are the two that I like the most. All right, but they do have Binance and some other options for people who are international. But there you go. So first, you want to buy your crypto. That's how you purchase it. Now, the thing to know about this is this: when you buy them on these exchanges, and when they have wallets and they have those quote unquote portfolios and accounts, this is what they call a public exchange, right? And when you purchase on there, it's almost like a bank, right? If you go into a bank and you deposit your money, you get a credit card, and they allow you to spend your money via the credit card, right? But who actually has your money or your cash? The bank does, right? So it's the same thing with these exchanges. When you're buying on the exchanges and you're holding them on the exchanges, they own what's called the private keys. And private keys are just like this. If you don't have the private key, technically, you don't own that crypto, right? Now, what I mean by that is this, right? Let's say that particular company gets hacked, either Coinbase or crypto.com, right? They get hacked, and somehow somebody gets a hold to your private keys. That's what they call them, their private keys, right? For your crypto. Technically, that person can steal your crypto because they have the private keys. That's like the physical version of a digital currency, if that makes sense, right? That's what makes it yours. And so I personally keep my day-to-day spending crypto, aka money, on these exchanges, aka crypto.com or either Coinbase. But for my long-term investments that I'm going to be holding on to, like a savings account or like a self-managed 401k, so to say, right? Because I showed you guys the amount of account growth that you had when it comes to crypto in the last decade. And again, I expect it to go higher in the next decade or so. And so in order to get your actual crypto keys, you want to get what's called a cold storage. And that's going to be something like a Ledger Nano. As you can see on the screen, this is what a Ledger Nano looks like. It looks like a thumb drive or a USB stick or whatever, right? So what you would do is you would go and purchase it. Now, I did a search for Google for Ledger Nano just to show you this. there's a lot of different options. You got Walmart, you got eBay, you got OfferUp, you got all these different companies, right? I'm going to say this and listen well, please, y'all. Hope everybody's listening. Nobody's asleep or, distracted. Listen well if you don't listen at any point in time in this call. All right. Purchase your Ledger Nano directly from the manufacturer. This is why. Let's say I'm a techie nerdy dude and I go and do some evil things to that Ledger Nano, and I go and throw it up on OfferUp or on eBay, and I sell it to you. Now I got the codes and I got the passwords to get into the back door of your Ledger Nano. And when you go and load it up, I just go and check it and see that you load up $50,000. Then I go and transfer that off of your Ledger Nano into mine because I have your codes and your passwords because I resold it to you and wrapped it up. It looked like a brand new one, but it really wasn't. So you want to be careful. Make sure that you buy it directly from Ledger right here. Ledger.com is the website. Again, I have a resource in my resources link. I have a Ledger discount code right here. If you click on it, it's going to open up the discount website. And it's going to show you, hey, get 20% off discount code. Curtis wants to thinks that you'll love it. Click on the little code and that copies it. Click shop now. Go over to the website and decide which one that you want to purchase. Now, right here you have the Ledger Nano S, which is $59. That's the cheapest price of entry, right? That's the basic crypto wallet, right? This one right here is $59. That's all you really need. All right. Now, if you're a person like me, I like the new latest and greatest. I ordered this one right here, the Ledger Nano X. It's coming in on Monday, actually. And so this is the next level hardware wallet. What's next level about this one is that this one right here has it to where you can connect to your phone via Bluetooth and be able to manage and load and unload crypto using your smartphone. Where this one right here, you have to plug it into a PC or computer, right? Or a Mac, whatever the case may be. I don't even know if it works for Macs, but you get my point. You have to do a hard connection with a wire to access this one right here. This one gives you a little bit more convenience. This one can hold a certain amount of cryptocurrencies for a new person that's trading. This is going to be sufficient. But again, I got this one right here just for future proof and because I like the Bluetooth connectivity thing. But again, that's what you want to do. You want to go to ledger.com. And this is how you would store your actual cryptocurrencies with the private keys. And what you would do is you would buy them on the exchange, aka Coinbase. Once you buy them on the exchange, you would go and withdraw them from that exchange and send them to your Ledger wallet, which you're gonna see how to do that. Or once you buy it, they have videos on how to do that. And but long story short, you would do a deposit to that wallet address that's on here, and then that money or that crypto will transfer from Coinbase to that Ledger wallet along with the private keys. So once you withdraw it, those private keys are withdrawn with it. So that's very important, y'all. So that's crypto.com, that's Ledger wallet. Now those Ledger wallet is cool because they don't have an exchange on theirs, right? But that's just a cold storage. So that's where you want to go and put your savings account. So you know how you have a savings account at the bank? That's what I consider the Ledger to be. Now, when it comes to the crypto.com app and that wallet, that's the wallet. That's what we call a hot wallet. A hot wallet is one that you can move money, move them to and from relatively easy. Cryptocurrency to and from relatively easy, right? And it also has a built-in exchange. So that means that you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency through that particular app as well, right? So this is what they call a hot wallet. So that's cool for everyday use, for buying and selling, aka investing, right? But when it comes to your long-term holds, or let's say you make $20,000, right? And you want to take that and store it away in crypto, just withdraw that $20,000 worth of crypto, aka Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever your crypto of choice is, and go ahead and withdraw it and put it into that Nano wallet and just store it up. Maybe that's your $10,000 that you're going to use for the kids' college fund or for the wife's new car in a couple of years or whatever the case may be, right? So, use your imagination, right? But you would store it there, and as long as it's stored there, that's your crypto. And the value goes up, your amount of money goes up. If the value goes down, your amount of money goes down. But again, that's just like anything else in the world. I just told you that your government is literally doing the same thing with your paper dollar that you work so hard for, right? So to me, the only way to outplace that is to have investments and to be very knowledgeable about those investments and to be able to grow your money, because you only can work so many hours in a day, right? So when it comes to your 9 to 5, you either got to work more hours, get paid more per hour, But at the end of the day, you only got 24 hours at the end of the day. But when you can learn how to take your money and put your money to work, as our group name states, money don't sleep. So money gonna always be working. Money doesn't get tired. And so if you can find a way, again, to go and invest in cryptocurrencies and watch those particular assets gain value, you're making money and hopefully outpacing inflation. And so as you saw in that slide, that is the case when it comes to crypto at the moment, right? So let me go ahead and close that up. So we talked about how to buy it. How to sell it is the same way. So once you purchase it, if it goes up, let's say $200 in value, and you want to just sell a portion of it, you just go into your exchange, right? And you go in here, and I don't know if y'all can see it at the very top, there's two buttons on here. One says buy, one says sell. So if I want to sell some of my crypto, just sell it. Once you sell it, it goes into your wallet as cash or USD coin or whatever you decide to cash it out as, and it's just sitting there like a bank account. And so it's no longer either gaining value, it's no longer losing value, right? So what I personally do is I buy cryptos when they're at a value. So when the price goes down, kind of like how our economy did at the beginning of this year, right? Everything was super cheap. I bought some American Airlines stock at like $8, I think it was, $8 or $9. And now it's up to like 20 bucks. So it doubled in value already that quickly. And so you can do the same thing with cryptos, right? If you understand how that process works. You can buy low, sell high. We know how that works in the Money Don't Sleep group, right? But if you're not familiar with that, you can definitely join the team by going to my website and clicking on Get Started. And you can sign up for our company, and we'll definitely teach you how to invest and how to do that. But if you're already knowledgeable, you got it. Hey, no problem at all. Take this information and go and run with it as far as buying and selling crypto. But yeah, that's pretty much how you want to play the game, guys, when it comes to the basics of crypto. And so last but not least, this is another hot wallet that I personally like. It's called Exodus. If you go to exodus.io, all right, let me go ahead and put that in the chat so that way y'all not. So just like the Ledger Nano, this could be considered a cold storage, right? But what's cool about this one, let me go ahead and drop this in here. Basically, I'm my own personal bank with this. That is correct, Chrissy. And what's great about this, right? And when you think about the return when it comes to your own investments, 9 times out of 10, again, if you know what you're doing, you're going to make more than what the bank is going to pay you for just leaving your money sitting there. I heard one guy say this and it stuck with me. Your savings account is the bank's investment account. In case you're confused, every dollar you put in the bank, they're investing it. And this is in the same market that we are participating in. All right, so going back to the wallet, y'all, this is going to be the Exodus wallet. Again, it is a cold storage, right? So you would download this to your computer. I would suggest you go and download the desktop version, right? So if you come over here and you click on Get Exodus Now, give it a second, and you want to go and download the desktop version first, because to me, the desktop is more secure. They do have a mobile app, but if you download the desktop app, go right here, click on download, select what type of computer you have, Windows, Apple, Mac, Linux, whatever. Download the app, install it, set it up. Once you get it set up, and it's pretty self-explanatory, it walks you through it, then go and download the mobile app. And what you can do is you can sync the mobile app to the desktop. So your actual physical crypto is stored on the Exodus desktop, but you can access it from the mobile and control your wealth anywhere, like it says. So while you're out and about, you can be exchanging crypto as far as buying and selling, right? And all that. And then when you get back home, it'll sync up with your desktop. Now, let me show you guys that particular app, right? Just to kind of give you an idea of what that looks like. So here it goes right here on my desktop. Let me see if it's going to show. I might need to change my screen sharing. Yeah, let me go. New share. And let me share screen. All right, give it a second. Y'all should see Exodus pop up. There you go right there. So you guys can see I already have mine set up and it is password protected. So now I'm going to have to go over here and get my password. I personally use a password manager called LastPass. It's very awesome. But what's cool about it is this particular password that I have is 16 characters long. Good luck remembering that, right? But I want it to be really, really secure. So I use the password generator that LastPass have. I have it saved there. And as you can see, pretty long password. So if I click on that, you're going to see the password is going to start. It's going to go ahead and log me in. Don't mind the value, y'all, as far as my account. I hadn't transferred all my stuff over yet. But as you guys can see, it says welcome to Exodus. And you're gonna see my portfolio is gonna load up. Got a whole $4.53 in there. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. Make that 24. I don't know if y'all saw that. I just received some XLM. That's called Stellar. If you look right here, so that's 24 bucks. That's something that I had transferred earlier, but it just now synced up like I was just showing y'all, right? So that's pretty cool that y'all got to see that. But as you can see right here, it shows your wallets over here. If you come to wallet, you can see these are my wallets that I have right now. These are only 2, but there are also other wallets that are available, right? And these wallets are actually where you would store that particular type of cryptocurrency. If I come down here, click add more, there's more on here that you can check and add. I'm not gonna go through all these different ones, but like I said, there are a lot of digital currencies that you can invest in nowadays, all right? Some of my favorites right now are gonna be Cardano, right here. Where is it at? Cardano, ADA, right? Also Ethereum, of course. I think that one's up here. Where's Ethereum? Ethereum is another one that I like. Of course, Bitcoin. Dash is up and coming. But yeah, Bitcoin is the safest bet right now as far as investing, but you'd also want to look at some of these other emerging coins. They have use cases to where their value could rise pretty good. Like for instance, Cardano. Right, if I go to my exchange, if I look at Cardano, no, actually, I'm sorry, let me go to my home screen. Let's find Cardano. Where are you at? There go my chain right here. Cardano. It's currently 7 cents for 1 Cardano. So imagine I put 100 bucks in that, and that price goes from 7 cents up to $3. Yeah, I'm not a math whiz, but I know that's a whole lot of money as far as the growth on the account for a small investment, right? So I don't want to say it's like penny stocks, but you know, you kind of can apply the same principle to that, but you want to make sure that whatever you're investing in has some kind of use case. How do you find that out? Go out there and do the research, y'all. I know a lot of times people just like, well, I'm just gonna do what everybody else says, but the best thing to do is go out there, do the research, understand your investment, and go from there. Where's Ripple at? I think last time I saw it was at 20 cents. I got a little bit of Ripple. I don't have a whole lot, but right here, XRP is at 19 cents now. So that one's kind of been up and down all year, right? But again, Ripple's another one that a lot of people talk about. Yeah, but again, Ripple's another one that I actually have a couple things. But right now, my favorite is going to be Tezos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, again, Cardano. All right, and actually this VeChain one is pretty interesting. It's 9 cents right now, but if you look at it, the last 24 hours, this went up 17%. Now, is that typical every day? Not always. Sometimes it's going to be up, sometimes it's going to be down. So don't think that every day is going to be 17%, but you get what my point is, right? So somebody in the comments says that Wells Fargo is getting into Ripple and some other big banks. There you go. So it looks like Mr. Saul has done some research on crypto. But yeah, that's what this exchange looks like. So I talked about the private keys, right? So I go over to my settings. Actually, I go to help. And I come on down here, and it asks me about how do I open up the developer menu. Click on that, and as you can see, it says hit Control plus Shift plus D, or just click this little button right here. So what I want y'all to do is look up here at this top left corner. Watch what happens when I click on this Show Developer menu. Bam, you see that right there? I got File, Edit, Developer, and Window, right? So if I go back to my wallet, if I go to Developer, and I go to Assets, you see this right here, y'all? There's a lot of different things listed. These are all the current cryptocurrencies where this particular wallet supports the storage of the private keys. If you look right here, it says Dash, View Private Keys. I don't have any Dash right now. I don't have any Bitcoin, but I do have Stellar. So if I go to Stellar, you see it says View Private Keys. If I click on that, it's probably really small, Miss Christie, because my computer, but you guys should be able to see this. You got a big old warning that says, hey, are you sure you want to show your Stellar private keys? Like I just showed you guys, it's a private key. So if I show you guys my private key, y'all can go ahead and transfer my money out of my account into yours. But so we're not gonna do that, even though it's only 25 bucks, but you get the point. These are the private keys. So if you come to this exchange and you go to a wallet, like right now, let's say I want to go and send Bitcoin to myself, right? I went and bought it on the exchange, on Coinbase or on crypto.com, and I want to send it to myself. I wouldn't send it, I would hit receive. And what's going to happen, I'm going to get this QR code. So I would go to my Coinbase, click on withdraw Bitcoin. When I click on withdraw, it's going to say, hey, Curtis, what do you want to withdraw it to? I put in this code or scan this QR code and hit send. And guess what's going to happen? that crypto is going to transfer from Coinbase, and you're going to see my Bitcoin number right here pop up and and it's going to show that deposit like the Stellar did when I logged on. And you're going to see my wallet over here, just like I got my Tezos wallet and my Stellar wallet. You see right here that it says it was received. That was 274 of the Stellar Lumens, valued at about 1980. Tezos, I just bought one for research purposes, so to say. But as you can see, that was $4.53 USD. That is worth now. It was worth 501 when I transferred it into this wallet. So yes, crypto's gonna go up and down, right? But investors understand that it's a long game. Look at this right here. Price was going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 but it's still up higher than when it first started. So as an investor, you got to have patience. So don't get all wigged out about that. But that's why private keys are important. So this right here is cool because it has a built-in exchange, and it's also a cold wallet, right? So if I, like for instance, if I go into my exchange and if I want to change my Stellar Lumens for something else, like Cardano, it's going to say that I have a minimum that I have to do that. So I have to have at least $31, and I'm a couple bucks short. So what I would do is I want to transfer that Stellar into Cardano. I would have to go to my Coinbase or my crypto.com, buy another $15 to $20 worth of that Stellar, send it over here to my wallet, and go in here and do the exchange for Cardano. Why is that the case? Why can't I just buy it from Coinbase, Curtis? Because every exchange does not have every cryptocurrency. That's what's cool about this wallet. If you go and try to buy Cardano right now on Coinbase, it's going to tell you that it's not available. So that means that I'm able to get in and buy this right here when it's 8 cents, pretty much 9 cents per Cardano. So this particular one, I heard through the grapevine, is going to be coming to Coinbase in August. So what do you think is going to happen to that price when it hits Coinbase in August? Can y'all put it in the comments, in the chats? You think the price is going to go up when it goes to that major exchange? Matter of fact, that's one of the biggest exchanges on the in the crypto world, right? It's going to go up, right? Somebody said it's going to go up. So by knowing this information that I just shared with you, as far as these wallets, you can go in there and maybe put 25, 50, well, in this case, at least $30, right? Into Cardano, and it's at 8 cents. You'll have 391 of those. So if that price goes up to $1, you just made a significant amount of interest on your account or on that particular investment. Could it go down? Yes. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go and invest your money. All I'm telling you and showing you the information and opportunities that are out there, but go do your own research. And I just want you guys to open up to the idea of cryptocurrencies and how they work. And if you look at these particular numbers, look at this. The market cap for Stellar Lumen, that means how much money is in this particular crypto, is 1.46 billion, right? If you look at Tezos, 2 billion. Look at Bitcoin, 171 billion. That's a lot of dollars, y'all. So when people say that crypto is a scam and blah, 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 I just laugh at them, right? Because they don't know. They don't know what they don't know, right? But thank you guys for being on this call and being open to the opportunity of learning about crypto and saying, yes, hey, I want to learn a little bit more about that, because now you have the ability to go in here and make some investments that could change your and your family's life, right? Because I just showed you guys some very awesome information as far as crypto goes, right? And so I think I pretty much covered everything that I want to go over today, guys. Again, a lot of the resources are going to be on my website. That's going to be kind of like my point of entry as far as communication. I also have events that I do. All right, so if you're interested in any of these other events, as you can see, I got an intro into Forex. So if you want to learn more about how to get into investing in Forex as far as another stream of income, just go to here, click on register here. It's going to pop up with a couple different dates. I'm doing them on Sundays right now, but that could change. But just go and register for the date that you want to be a part of that call. Or if you're on this call and you're a part of my team and you have people who are interested in getting started in the business, but they want to know more information or they want to see a presentation, have them go to the same website and do this same registration, and then they will be able to log in and view my intro into Forex.
A few minutes later.
Let me show y'all something, right? Because again, a lot of people think that cryptocurrency is just a flash in the pan, it's going away. I'm gonna show you something that's gonna blow your mind, right? We just talked about Coinbase, right? Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges, right? When it comes to cryptocurrency. Brian Brooks, I don't know if y'all ever heard of this guy, right here. See that? Chief Legal Officer for Coinbase. What's he doing now? Oh, he's leaving the crypto exchange to become the second in command to the United States office at the comptroller of currency. But this is a guy that was the chief legal officer for Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange. He's now inside of your government's comptroller, the person that controls our money. So if you guys think that cryptocurrency is going away, I challenge you to, yeah, that information right there. Here's another one. Let's go back. So y'all can look at that, do the same search and see that same information. Let me show you another one. Again, I'm just showing you guys this because a lot of times your friends and buddies will tell you, oh man, all that stuff is a scam. I got in, I lost my money. They probably know what the hell they was doing because they probably got in at the wrong time and then sold at the wrong time, which a lot of people do with stocks all the time, but nobody calls stocks and bonds a scam. But cryptocurrency and Forex is, right? Excuse me for my rant. Let me calm down. But yeah, so this young lady here, Kelly, I spelled LaFleur, right? Look at that. She's an American politician right now, right? Senator of Georgia. What was she doing beforehand? Anybody want to take a guess? All right, let me put this in. They're developing using digital dollar while rumors are heard at the end of the summer. Yep, Saul. Saul been doing his research, brother. I see you, man. So here you go, y'all. This is this young lady right here. Ex-BAKKT CEO. She got $9 million as a payout as she left for the U.S. Senate. Larger portion of the deal was her stake in that particular cryptocurrency, right? So that's where she got that money from. And so she was just literally just cashing out when she was leaving, right? So yeah, so go ahead and do some research on that one, guys. But yeah, she's also in the government now. And as Saul just put out, he heard rumors of a digital dollar, right? Those are all true rumors. But what's great about what you're getting right now is that you're getting information before it's on CNN or when the mass population learns about it, right? So what's great about that is that you can get in now, like I just showed you, on some of these things at like 8, 9, 10 cents, or maybe a couple of dollars per coin.